A perfect drive score of 100 out of 101 stock. Just nailed it. And if you're looking for the best stocks to buy now in the stock market today, Gainster has you covered. This is your drive score update for April 30th, 2026, US Eastern Time. Market overview. We're sitting in a confirmed uptrend day 8 of this rally attempt, and you can feel the momentum building. Our watch list holds 7 stocks, total 3 are glowing green with drive scores of 80 or above, while 4 sit in the yellow zone still cooking, 3 distribution days on the books, so the market isn't totally stress-free. But the confirmed uptrend gives us a green light to put capital to work selectively. If you want these drive score updates delivered daily, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a setup. Market news. XPO Incorporated just dropped its Q1 2026 earnings call transcript and the tone was decidedly upbeat. Management highlighted the strong freight demand and margin expansion. This is the kind of earnings call where you can hear the confidence and the market noticed. Digging into the numbers, XPO's key metrics came in ahead of analyst estimates across the board. When a logistics company beats on both the top and bottom line, it tells you the real economy is moving goods. And that's a bullish signal for industrials broadly.
And just to put a bow on it, XPO surpassed both Q1 earnings and revenue estimates according to Zacks. 3 positive headlines in one day for a single stock. That's the market telling you to pay attention, and we will when we get to the spotlights.
Stock spotlights.
ATI Incorporated, ticker ATI, earns a drive score of 80 with a relative strength of 93. This metal fabrication play is carving out a textbook double bottom. The first low hit 139.83 after peaking at 168.14. The second bottom bounced at 142.35. The neckline at 166.61 is your trigger. Price is at 155.46 today, up over 6%. It's climbing toward that breakout level. XPO, ticker XPO, also scores 80 on the drive with relative strength at 86 after that triple dose of positive earnings news. This cup with handle pattern looks ready to brew. The cup ran from 212.71 down to a low of 177.56 and back up to 231.46. The handle pulled back to 213.56. Breakout is above 231.46 and at 220 today, it's knocking on the door. Albemarle, ticker ALB, comes in with a drive score of 70 and a relative strength rating of 95, the highest RS on today's list. This specialty chemicals giant is forming a cup with handle. The cup stretches from 206 down to 154.69 and back to 215.71 with the handle dip to 184.50. The breakout trigger sits at 215.71 at 196.70 today. It still needs about a 10% push to clear, so patience is key here. NOV Incorporated, ticker NOV, holds a drive score of 60 with relative strength at 80. This oil and gas equipment name is building a double bottom with lows at 1770 and 1782 after an initial high of 1922. The neckline trigger is $20.86. Today it closed at 20.46, down slightly, sitting just below that breakout line. It's like a runner in the starting blocks coiled and waiting for the gun.
Phillips 66, ticker PSX, rounds out our spotlights with a drive score of 60 and relative strength of 79. This refining and marketing play has a double bottom with lows at 149.14 and 153.58. The neckline sits at 190.61 at 179.15. Today up nearly 4%. It's still about 6% away from triggering. The energy sector tailwind could be the catalyst it needs.
If these drive score breakdowns are helping your trading, smash that like button. It helps more traders find this channel. Today's top pick. MKS Instruments, ticker MKSI, sits alone at the top with a perfect drive score of 100 out of 100, relative strength 97. This hardware and equipment name has built a gorgeous cup with handle pattern. The cup carved from 269.91 down to a base at 250 and climbed all the way back to 294.05. And at 283.75 today, up 5%. It's like a coiled spring pressing against the lid. When this pops, the measured move could be significant. The risk a broad market pullback could stall the breakout, so watch those distribution days closely. Are you watching MKSI for a breakout, or do you think the handle needs more time? Drop your take in the comments below. Honourable Mentions.
Here's the rest of our watch list, scrolling through 7 names total on the board today. Keep an eye on ATI and its double bottom neckline at 166.61. With that 93 RS rating, it could be the next name to light up green, and Albemarle with the highest relative strength at 95 is one to bookmark for a longer term setup.
That's your Gainster. Drive score breakdown for April 30th, 3 green, 4 yellow. The confirmed uptrend is giving us opportunities, but selectivity is your edge. The best traders don't chase, they prepare. Set your alerts on those breakout levels tonight and let the market come to you tomorrow. Watch whether MKSI can clear that 294.05 lid. See you next session.